Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Godaddy domain to Shopify. So let's start by going to the Shopify dashboard. So I'm also logged into my Godaddy account. You can go ahead and do that, and it just speeds up the process. Once you've logged in, just go to your Shopify dashboard and click on settings. Then here you have domains. From here you can either buy a new domain or connect existing domain. I assume you already have existing domains, so just type in your domain name and click on next. If you have a GoDaddy domain, then you can do this all automatically. With most other ones, you have to use a manual process. Here just click on connect. Now it would ask you to log into GoDaddy. I was already logged into my GoDaddy account here. That's why it didn't ask me to log in, but you would just need to log in, then click on next, and then you basically see the same page. Once you see this, you can close this window, and now you can see in some minutes. This might take 10-15 minutes to verify the connection, but once it's done, you see here SSL pending. Now you can see here that it made my domain name as the primary for online store. That's good. If it didn't, you can click on it. Let's say I want a www. I click on it, and here you can click set as primary. And now let's check it works. Now you can see the website shows up here. That's great. This is now the domain name that I wanted to use for the shop, and also I can see the SSL certificate is already ready, so this website is ready to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.